We'll guide you through how to animate chain in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Wait for the program to load completely before starting your project. After the workspace appears, create a new composition by selecting the option to make a composition. Set the composition settings according to the size, frame rate, and duration you need. Once the composition is ready, import a chain image into the project panel or create chain links by using shape layers inside the composition. After importing or creating the chain, place the chain in the timeline so it appears in the working area. If the chain image contains multiple links joined together, separate each chain link into individual layers if needed. This allows each link to move independently during animation. Next, select one chain link layer in the timeline to begin animating it. Press the R key on your keyboard to open the rotation property for that selected layer. When the rotation property appears, enable keyframes for rotation by clicking the stopwatch icon. This creates the first keyframe at the current time position. Move the playhead forward in the timeline to the point where you want the next movement to happen. After moving the playhead, rotate the selected link slightly to create natural motion. A second keyframe will be created automatically. Continue by animating the other chain links one by one. Apply small delays between the movements of each link so the chain moves in a more realistic sequence. Select each link layer, add rotation keyframes, move the playhead, and rotate the links slightly at different times. If needed, add position keyframes to some chain links to create extra movement and improve the swinging effect. Move the playhead to different points and adjust the position of the links where necessary. After all keyframes are added, preview the movement by pressing the spacebar or using the preview panel. Watch the animation carefully to check the motion of every chain link. If needed, enable motion blur for smoother movement by activating the motion blur switch for the layers and composition. Once the animation looks correct, save your project file. Then go to the menu and add the composition to the render queue. In the render queue, review the output settings, then click Render. Your chain animation is complete.